Okay, first off, you guys, I'm starting with my old wig. I made it using bundles from Bum Bum Bundles. I think this wig is about 3 years old, and I dyed it before, like it was this bright red on the tips and stuff, but it's like faded out now. To get started, we're gonna use the BW2 powder and 40 volume developer. Trying to bleach that red hair left me with pink hair. So now I'm going to try to boil the hair with shampoo and dish detergent to try to get it out. By the way, y'all, this water is super hot. I don't know why I didn't listen to the other YouTubers and use tongues or something, but please, y'all, listen to me. Do not try to do this with your hand. Okay, these are my results after boiling my hair in shampoo and dish detergent. I let it air dry. This is the next day. And I'm going to go back in with bleach and bleach it all the way up to the top, leaving it a little black at the roots. And yeah, just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to get started. Fun fact, I have a white shower curtain on my dresser so I can bleach the hair instead of a trash bag. I'm kind of running low on trash bags, so that's a good idea for you guys that are out of trash. Running a little low on 40 volume developer after I used it all up on the red hair. So now I'm going to mix in the 40, 30, and the 20 in hopes of it lighting the top enough to match the bottom. Definitely make sure you have gloves. I don't know what I was thinking starting without my gloves on. Right in here I have 10 scoops of BW lighting powder, and I'm going to pour in my different developers. Okay, now that's perfect. Okay, this is the perfect consistency, not too thick, able to work through hair really well. And with that 10 scoops of developing powder, I made, let's see how much, right here, this much bleaching cream. So there's a reference if you need to know how much to put in there. Put enough to make it this much. Okay, so let's get started. And I'm trying to make sure I'm not getting too much hair as I try to bleach each row. Again, I'm flipping the hair over and then making sure that the back side is coated with bleach as well. And then I'm just gonna grab a hair fold and just place it over that section of hair that I previously bleached. And then move on to the next section. After bleaching, I still had a couple pink little streaks in it. So after I rinse it off, I'm gonna boil it in the water once again and then wash. Okay, now after air drying the hair, this is the color that I'm left with. A beautiful yellow blonde. And this kind of is really still. So I know once I put this tone on here, then I'm gonna have to deep condition the hair. You can see natural highlights in the hair. I'm going in with the T15 toner, and I'm gonna use 6 of these. The description is a pale beige blonde. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, they really want people in here. Dang. People must be stealing these.
Approximately 10 hours later.
For every 1 bottle of toner, we're gonna mix in 2 bottles of developer. And you have to use 20 volume developer. Okay guys, this is the color. I don't think you can see it. But this is after letting the toner sit in for 20 minutes. We're gonna go in with the conditioner and do the same thing. So I'm using the Shimmer Lights, also Shimmer Lights for blonde and silver hair. This shampoo actually acts as a toner as well. So we're gonna after allowing your hair 3 minutes to sit with the Shimmer Light conditioner for 3 minutes, go in with any conditioner of your preference. I have the Destinee conditioner for colored hair, and I'm just gonna lather it up with conditioner and then let it sit overnight. Once air dry, I threw in some beach curls with my curling wand, and this is the result. So thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. If it was helpful for you, please like. If you like videos like this, please subscribe. And leave me some suggestions down in the comment section, please. And thank you so much. Have a blessed day.